release of the ACIO Admit Card 2025 has just sparked a wave of excitement and urgency among candidates. If you're gearing up for the Intelligence Bureau Assistant Central Intelligence Officer ACIO Grade 2/Executive exam, this is your official gateway to the test. But here's where it gets controversial. Without this admit card, no one will be allowed to enter the exam hall, no exceptions. So, missing out on downloading it could mean missing your chance entirely. The Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, has officially published the ACIO Admit Card 2025 on its website, mha.gov.in. The Tier 1 exam is set to take place over 3 days, September 16, 17, and 18, 2025. The admit card was made available on September 13, just a few days before the exam, giving candidates a narrow window to download and prepare. This document is crucial as it contains all the essential information you need: your exam center's address, recording time, shift details, and personal candidate information. Remember, the exam hall gate won't open without this card. The ACIO Admit Card 2025 is now live and ready for download. If you've registered for the Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Grade 2 Executive Recruitment, you can access your admit card by logging into the official portal mha.gov.in using your registration number and password. It's highly recommended to print multiple copies to avoid any last-minute issues. Before the admit card release, candidates received the ACIO City Intimation Slip, which helped them plan their travel and accommodation arrangements. This step is often overlooked but is vital for smooth exam day logistics. If you haven't checked your city slip yet, it's worth doing so to avoid any surprises. Here's a direct link to download your ACIO Admit Card 2025. Direct link, xnnbssia.in. Let's break down the key details about the ACIO Admit Card 2025. Exam name: ACIO Grade 2 Executive Exam 2025. Conducting authority: Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA. Total vacancies: 3,717. Exam dates: September 16th, 17th, and 18th, 2025. Admit card release date: September 13th, 2025. Official website: mha.gov.in. Selection process. Tier 1, multiple choice questions. Tier 2, descriptive and interview. Wondering how to download your admit card? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Visit the official MHA website at mha.gov.in. 2. Navigate to the recruitment section and click on the ACIO Admit Card 2025 link. 3. Enter your user ID or application number along with your password. 4. Click on Submit to access your admit card. 5. Download the PDF and print several copies for safety. The admit card includes all the vital information you need to know before the exam day. Make sure to double-check these details to avoid any confusion or last-minute panic. Your full name, roll number and registration ID, your photograph and signature, the post you have applied for, ACIO Grade 2 Executive, exam date and your specific shift timing, reporting time and gate closing time, name and full address of the exam center. Important instructions for the exam day. The ACIO exam will be conducted in 3 shifts each day across multiple centers nationwide. Your admit card will specify exactly which shift you are assigned to, so pay close attention to this. Here's the official schedule for the exam shifts. Shift 1, reporting at 7:30 a.m. Exam from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Shift 2, reporting at 10:30 a.m. Exam from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Shift 3, reporting at 1:30 p.m. Exam from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. And this is the part most people miss. Arriving late or at the wrong shift can lead to disqualification. So plan your day carefully. With over 3,700 vacancies up for grabs, this exam is highly competitive. The admit card is your official ticket to participate, so don't delay in downloading it. Have you already secured your admit card? What are your thoughts on the tight timeline between the admit card release and the exam dates? Do you think this short window adds unnecessary pressure on candidates? Or does it help keep the process streamlined? Share your opinions and experiences in the comments below. Let's get the conversation started.